The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Take note that when writing quadratic equations in standard form, a should always be positive. Now we try to express the following equations in their standard form. Then, we identify the value of a, which is the quadratic coefficient, b, which is the linear coefficient, and c, which is the constant term. For our first example, we have the square of the sum of 2x and 1 equals 6x. We get the square of the sum of 2x and 1. The square of 2x is 4x squared. For our next term, we will have twice the product of the first term and the last term. So 2 times 2x times 1 is equal to positive 4x. And for our last term, we get the square of the last term, which is 1. So the square of 1 is equal to positive 1. Then copy equals 6x. We transpose 6x to the left side of the equation. So our equation is now written as 4x squared plus 4x minus 6x plus 1 equals 0. And we now combine similar terms. 4x minus 6x is equal to negative 2x. We copy 4x squared and positive 1 equals 0. So our equation is 4x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. And it is now written in its standard form. Therefore, we can now identify the values of a, b, and c. The value of a is equal to positive 4. The value of b is equal to negative 2. And the value of c is equal to positive 1. For our second example, let's have the product of the difference of 3x and 4 and the sum of 3x and 4 equals 3x minus 8. We simplify first the left side of our equation. Notice that our first terms are the same. Our last terms are also the same. But the operations are different. So this special product is what we call the product of the sum and difference of two terms. 3x times 3x is equal to 9x squared. Negative 4 times positive 4 is equal to negative 16 equals 3x minus 8. We transpose 3x to the left side of the equation and negative 8 to the left side of the equation. Our equation is now written as 9x squared minus 3x minus 16 plus 8 equals 0. We now combine similar terms. Negative 16, combine it with positive 8, is equal to negative 8. Then we copy 9x squared, negative 3x, the equal sign, and 0. So our simplified equation is 9x squared minus 3x minus 8 equals 0. We can now identify the values of a, b, and c. The value of a is equal to positive 9. The value of b is equal to negative 3. And the value of c is equal to negative 8.